Hello, welcome everyone to the online class organized by South Pine English Boarding School. It's me Kishan Shah, and today I am going to teach you a study subject of class 6. And today my topic name is education. At first we have to know what is education. Definition of education. Education is the process of learning different types of activities and to get the knowledge and information about the entire world and different subjects. And it is also a process which makes us an ability to how to live in a world, how to survive ourselves in the world. And now I am going to describe you about the education in the past and in the modern. In the past, there was not any education system. Children were going to the Gurukul, where a guru is providing education about the different types of things without the help of books. They know any subject, they know only one subject, how to get the knowledge. And at that time, in Nepal, in past, at the time of Jang Bahadur Rana, in 1910 years, Jang Bahadur Rana has established first school in Nepal, which is known as Darbar High School. Darbar High School is the first school in the history of Nepal. And now I am going to describe about the types of education and including the different types of education, what is included. So there are two types of education. First one is formal education. And second one is non-formal. So there are two types of education, formal education and non-formal education. At first we have to know what is the formal education and what are the function, process and how we can get the education which is known as formal education. This is the education in which we have to go in the formal education. This is the education in which we have to go in a school, different types of organization, institutes where we have to study about the different types of all subjects are separated according to their knowledge, and there are different teachers through which we get different types of knowledge. But in a non-formal education, they know any subject matter, know any teachers. Just example, we get knowledge in our family. Our home is our first school where we get different types of knowledge, how to survive in the society, how to respect our seniors, how to respect our elders, how to love our juniors, how to help our parents, neighbors. These are the education which is provided by which we get from the non-formal education. And now we will know about what different types of formal education and non-formal education. Schools, campus, institutions, we can get formal education from the schools, campus, institutions and different types of organizations. And these are the places where the formal educations are provided by the system of the education. Now non-formal education. There are also different types of non-formal education which is given by the different types of peoples. All the people are not same. Children, adult, or men, especially with disability. And these all education which included in the non-formal education. First, children education. adult education, women education, and last one is special. There are 4 education which included in the non-formal education. First one is children education. All the children of the family are not able to get education through the school. Many are poor. They have no money to get the education, and the different types of organizations, NGOs, INGOs are working to provide education or to make educated to the different types of people who are not able to get education in the school. This is natural education. Next is adult education. At past, there is no any system of education, so that many adults, aged people are now uneducated, and the different NGOs and INGOs are working to educate the adult people, uneducated people. Next is women education. All the girls are not sending school to get education because of difference which is next between the boys and girls, and NGOs, INGOs are working to provide education to the girls. It also creates awareness about the not differences between the girls and boys. Last one is special education. This is education which is not given to all the people. This is only for people who are orphans, disability, who are not able to walk, not able to hear. Different special education, it means children or people who cannot speak, who cannot hear, who cannot see. That education provided to those people in a special way, and this must only for this chapter of education. Now I am going to stop this topic. Thank you, and I will again in next topic.